If you can guess it, you could win yourself £10,000.
Oh my days.
We'll give you the money today.
All right, cool.
If you get
Cash.
it right, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's have a listen.
Oh my God, was that it? Oh my days.
Do you want to hear it
All
again?
right, one more time. Come on. Yeah, cool. Oh, that's gonna drive me crazy. That's like something you do every day. I'm thinking about you wake up, brush my teeth, like just like grab a jar. I don't know. That's like a.
Gonna have to narrow this down.
That is like a normal everyday sound. I'm gonna say that is that something dropping down the stairs? Like what would you drop down the stairs? Oh man. Yeah. I'll give up. I'll give up.
Yeah,
you're keeping okay.
So
right.
when does that get found out?
We don't know.
Could go on for months.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, oh my days. I'm gonna. All right, cool. I'm gonna tune in every day just to hear that. I'm gonna phone up one day like, yo, it's Storms. I got it finally.